This video is an overview of the cast installation with a square pad for the Exogen ultrasound bone healing system. Before you begin, let's review the components of the cast kit. Felt and foam pads. Black round foam disc. Casting mesh. RAF cap. Red cap. Retaining and alignment fixture, RAF. Now that you're familiar with the components, it's time to begin. First, locate the fracture site by using an X-ray and mark the treatment area on the cast with an X. Using a standard cast saw, cut a window out of the cast. Remove the newly created window along with any excess padding. Cut the stockinette with scissors. Remove the layers of square felt pad until the pad is the same thickness as the cast. Only use the square pad when cutting a square hole. Insert the retaining and alignment fixture, or the RAF, into the mesh until the mesh sits over the lower lip. Peel off the adhesive backing from the off-white square pad and stick to the bottom of the RAF. Insert the assembly into the square window and put the red cap on the RAF. Finish building the cast to cover the mesh around the RAF. Install the felt plug to prevent window edema. Install the RAF cap. This video is an overview of how to build Exogen into a cast. Mark the treatment area and put on the stockinette. Cut a hole in the stockinette over the treatment site, making certain the marked area is open to skin. Peel off the adhesive backing from the off-white square pad and stick to the bottom of the RAF. Then insert assembly into the stockinette. This is what correct placement of the assembly should look like. Putting the felt plug in place will hold the RAF aligned. Apply the cast felt split or cut a hole to fit over the RAF. Apply the rest of the cast padding. Putting the RAF through the hole will help hold it in place when finishing the cast. Apply one layer of synthetic cast material. Then place the mesh square onto the plastic port to ensure a solid construct. Put the red cap on the RAF and finish building the cast to cover the mesh around the RAF. To install the assembly on a cast, position the RAF assembly securely over the cast window. Place the round felt plug into the RAF